Good day, ma'am. I am Donna May Torres Havana, 18 years old from La Paz, Agusan del Sur. I am Bethel Ed IA Section A. Microsoft PowerPoint and Google Slides are both popular presentation tools with different strengths. PowerPoint offers a wider range of features, including advanced animations and transitions, and excellent offline access with a paid Microsoft 365 subscription. Google Slide Google Slides, on the other hand, is free to use with Google account and excels at real-time collaboration and seamless integration with other Google apps. While PowerPoint might be better choice for complex presentations requiring advanced features and offline access, Google Slide is ideal for quick collaborative projects and those who prioritize free access and cloud-based storage. The decision ultimately depends on your specific needs, budget, and collaboration requirements.